We've invited our customers out to celebrate our opening of our new facility. A lot of people here to enjoy some good food. We're proud to show how we're here to serve our customers. We've added on the big super bay, about 6,000 square feet, to increase our capacity through the service department. We've increased our parts warehouse space, added significant inventory in the parts department. We've added to our rental fleet. We've added some sales offices, conference room, and just everything we need to do to support our customers in the Permian Basin.
The service, I believe, is the most important part of any transaction, whether it be sales or rental, and the support you give. Now that this expansion is in place, I'm looking to hire anywhere from 8 to 10 more technicians before the end of the year. With an open house like this, it allows my technicians to be in front of the customers in a little different environment. We make each technician a part of the team. We're all one team, we're all one culture, and we all do it together. And it makes us head and shoulders above our competition.
We have a very big population of Komatsu machines in this area, and expanding the branch is going to allow us to have more product in the warehouse so that it's more readily available for the customer. This will allow customers to get their parts within a couple hours instead of 24 hours.
We want them to know that Takeuchi's a proud partner of Kirby-Smith in the Permian Basin to ensure that they've got the service and support and reliability that they need.
We're here to support the Odessa branch expansion, open house, and to talk with customers about our paving products.
Just out here supporting our dealership. Wanted to be here for the open house. Kirby-Smith's a great dealership for Wirtgen America.
We are thankful and we're honored to be a part of this with our teammates from Kirby-Smith. They're a superior dealer. They represent Komatsu at the highest level. They are the best trained, so they know how to keep this equipment up and running efficiently with our parts.
A lot of the customers talk that the added advantage that Kirby-Smith gives them is they're there when they need them. Kirby-Smith has provided their customers with excellent support. As you can see from this event today, we're all working as one and we all have that one goal.